Holness, the jellyback man, weak in spirit with no real plan. Talks about leadership, but it's pure illusion, 'cause the only thing he leads is corruption and confusion. Every scandal he hides and lies, selling out Jamaica while the people cry.
Wait, did Andrew Holness really just say loan 50 generators? These were donated for the people of Jamaica. So how we reach from donation to loan? The man suppressing the same people he claimed to serve. Is this what he mean when him say, choose Jamaica? Wolf in disguise, mad man running the country. The people are crying out, we want we generator. And to all overseas donors, stop sending aid through him. Send it straight to the people or to reputable charities. Jamaica tired of the games. We demand truth, not loans.